Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1/4 cup of high-quality cocoa powder for a deep chocolate flavor. Also, have 2 cups of whole milk or your preferred dairy-free option ready. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a tiny pinch of salt to really make those chocolate notes sing. These simple items are the foundation for a truly rich drink. Now, let's build that rich chocolate base. In a saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and about 1/4 cup of the milk. Whisk these together vigorously until you have a smooth, thick paste. This crucial step prevents any lumps and ensures your hot chocolate will be perfectly smooth and evenly flavored. You can also add a dash of vanilla extract here for an extra layer of aromatic depth. With your chocolate paste ready, it's time to add the rest of the milk. Gradually whisk in the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk into the saucepan over medium heat. Continue whisking gently until the mixture is steaming hot, but be careful not to let it boil. Taste and adjust the sweetness or chocolate intensity to your liking. Pour into mugs and serve immediately for the best experience. To truly elevate your hot chocolate, consider some delicious additions. A pinch of cinnamon or even a tiny dash of cayenne pepper can add a wonderful warmth and complexity. For coffee lovers, a shot of espresso transforms it into a delightful mocha. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, top your masterpiece with fresh whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or perfectly toasted marshmallows for an unforgettable treat. Enjoy your gourmet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.